The boat's to the rescue. The rescue is on.
Sponge rescue! But who's going to rescue me?
Finbar! Again? How come I have to be the rescuer every time we play Sponge Rescue?
Because you're a really good swimmer.
Well, yes, but I've already rescued you and Tub 8 times.
Come on, Finbar, rescue me!
Oh,
Swimmin'! Rescued again!
it's not fair. How come no one ever rescues me? Oh, if only I could be rescued for a change.
First step.
Hey,
We
I
don't need a
said
roll,
if only,
and the rescue is
and
on the
here
boat.
I am on a desert island. Hey, all alone, marooned. Fantastic! Now I can just lie back and wait to be rescued.
Just get this deck painted and then brave rescuer Terence will be ready to, well, rescue someone.
Arr, arr, arr! That was quick. Whoa! Over here! Come and rescue me!
Oh, on my way!
At last, I'm going to be rescued! Oh no! Look out for that rock!
Sorry, what was that?
I said, look out for that!
Second step.
Rock!
The boat will go paddles.
I'm sinking! I'll get wet!
I don't believe it! Hang on! You were supposed to rescue me!
I'm ever so sorry. I didn't see the rock.
Oh, never mind. We'll just have to both wait to be rescued now.
But what if another boat does come by and they don't see the rock? Oh, I've had an idea. I'm going to paint that rock pink.
Pink?
Now, I just need you to tow me out to it.
Can't you just swim out?
Swim out? No way.
Oh, all right then. Come on.
Thank you. Oh, there we are. Lovely.
Yes, yes. Lovely. Ow, ow, ow. Now come on. I need to get back and do a bit more waiting to be rescued. Right. Let's get on with the waiting. Hey, look! Another boat!
Third step. The boat will get loud with a bullhorn.
Hey, over here! Rescue me!
Oh, Sploshy to the rescue!
Yes! I'm going to be rescued. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Silly washing!
Oh no, she's heading straight for the rock.
Calm down,
Pink
please.
rock.
Why can't she see it? It's bright pink.
Look out for the pink rock.
Calm down, please. Can you rescue down with him?
Not again.
Phew! Thanks very much. Sorry, I didn't see that rock.
Don't worry, neither did I.
Call yourself rescuers? Now I'll have to wait for someone else to come and rescue me. Under this sunshade. Ah, perfect.
But we need to do something about that dangerous rock, so the next rescuer sees it. I can make a kind of flag out of all this.
Whoa! That was my sunshade.
Fourth step. The boat will see with a siren.
There! A flag on a pink rock. No rescuer could miss that.
Oh, well done, brave rescuer Sploshy.
Mighty me, will you both just stay still for a minute? I need peace and quiet while I'm waiting to be rescued.
Hey, look! Another boat!
What? Where?
Will you stay flat, Map? How am I supposed to be a brave rescuer if I can't find my way around?
What's he doing?
Oh, if he's not careful, he's going to hit that rock.
Oh, why can't he see our flag?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Will you two stop that, please? I'm resting. That's the thing about being rescued. You don't do anything.
But you have to do something!
Oh, all right, but just stop shouting. Stop! Oh, stop!
Silly Map.
Mighty me, I don't believe it. Stop!
Who said that?
Stop! Stop!
Sorry, what's that you're saying?
The rock! You're heading for the rock!
Rock? What rock?
The big pink rock! With the flag on top!
Pink rock? Where?
Over there!
Oh, that big pink rock. Hello, I'm Brave Rescuer Tub, and I have come to rescue you all.
Oh, thank goodness! Oh, great!
Okay, all aboard. Rightio then. Just check which way the wind's blowing before we set off. Oh, there isn't any wind. Which means we can't sail anywhere.
Oh, no.
Fifth
I'm
step.
never going
The
to be
boat will get
rescued.
loud with a whistle.
I've got an idea. Finbar can push the boat.
That's a great idea. He'll have us home in no time.
Hello? I'm the one that's supposed to be getting rescued.
Go on. Otherwise, we'll be stuck here for ages. Please, please, please.
What?
Please,
What?
please.
The things a mighty shark has to do to get rescued.
Well done. You'll soon be home.
Yes, and I'm going to be mighty tired by the time we get there. Oh, if only I hadn't been rescued.
I'm back on the boat.
Oh, I'm back. Well, I'm glad that's over. I'm exhausted.
Look at Finbar all alone down there in the bath.
Why don't we rescue him?
Oh, yes! Sponge rescue!
Who's rescued? No, thank you. I'm not being rescued. No way.
But we've all had enough of being rescued now.
We
So
don't need
we
be sunk
can
deep on the
rescue you
water.
for a change.
If you
no,
drowned,
can't.
then I
Being
recovered
rescued
now.
is too much like
Hopefully
hard
it will be
work.
rescued in the
I
boat,
thought you wanted to.
as I don't want to be drowned
Rubbadubbers,
again.
The children are coming. Bath time scramble. So, amen.
Oh, perhaps Benji and Sis will rescue you instead, Finbar.
No way. Bye-bye. I'm hiding.
Oh well, never mind. Come on, everybody.
In our first, hopefully we will win right now. But this is the one that matters the most. Congratulations, Cart. You are the winner of T-Dot's Mini Galactic.